Welcome to the propertycare.com trial demo video. We've created 3 very simple videos for you to get the most of your propertycare.com trial. The first one is a quick summary of how the product works from a management perspective, and then also what your cleaner's going to be seeing, or maintenance teams, when you set tasks up for them. The second 2 videos are going to show you how you generate a single task, and then the last video is how you generate a task with automation. So we're going to jump straight in. So this here is the summary screen. You've obviously done a demo with myself or Alex. We showed you, I believe, for how simple it is to connect your PMS. And once you do that, it's very simply going to pull your bookings into here. And it's also going to pull all of your guests in and also your properties. We're going to focus for the benefit of this video on tasks, which is the core part of the product and why you've got in touch with us and requested a trial account. So when you go into tasks, this is what we like to call the bird's eye view. I'm just going to move myself here. So down the left-hand side, you have all of your properties, which are automatically pulled in from the PMS. You also have your clean status, the tick meaning that it's clean. A cross, a red cross, means obviously it's dirty. A question mark means our system doesn't know if it's clean or dirty. And the last status is blocked, which means that there's been a task such as a turnover clean, and your cleaner or maintenance have flagged an issue, which means that a guest cannot get in it. Right, so looking along here, you have the bookings on here, and then once a booking is complete, it then has an associated automated task, which is a turnover clean. When you go into this task, you can see some more information. You can see that this task, named turnover clean, is linked to the clean status. So once this task is cleaned, it's going to update your property to show cleaned. In addition, you can see the deadline, which is 6 PM. And of course, this is high priority. As we all know, getting your guests into property is the most important thing. In addition, you can see some other information relating to this, who generated it, any costs and any notes. But for now, we're going to keep this simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in to see what your cleaner will see when they go to do this turnover clean. So this is our app. Obviously, you're seeing a web view here for the benefit of this trial video. So what you see here is the cleaner's arrived. His name's Alex. He's got 4 tasks today, and he's also got 4 properties to go to. Now, this is showing no estimate of time, and the reason why that is we haven't set up an automated time for each turnover clean. If you, for example, always attribute 3 hours for a turnover clean, it will then automatically generate a total time your cleaner has to do that day. But for this instance, we haven't done this. Now we're going to go into the tasks. This is what I've got for today. I go in there and see all of my tasks. I can also go in and I can see a calendar view. So, some of your cleaners or maintenance will want to see the month outwards. But for now, I'm going to focus on today. I'm going to go into Fleet House, which is one of my properties, and I'm going to carry on with my property inspection. Now, this is very, very simple, this app. On the most basic level, your cleaner or maintenance person will go in, they'll see the task, and you'll have a series of checklists of what they want to do. For this instance, we just literally want the person to complete the property inspection, so there's just one task to complete. However, in addition, they can also add issues. So say, for example, I've turned up to do the inspection, I can add high priority because people need to get in, I give it a title and I give it a description. I can also add an image as well. But for now, for the purpose of this, we're going to keep it really simple, and I'm just going to go in and I'm going to complete this task. So once I've done that, you sitting in your office, you want to know that has been completed. So I'm going to go back over to the task overview. It takes a minute to update. For the purpose of this, I'm going to make this quick. If I look at all tasks today, I should be able to see on the top. Let's have a quick look. Here we are, the property inspection, and as you can see, it's been completed. So very, very simple. That's a quick overview of the end-to-end of the core user journey, setting up a task that's linked to a booking, typically a turnover cleaner inspection, what your cleaner's going to see, them ticking it off and seeing it completed in the dashboard. Look at the next video to see how you're going to generate a task, and the video after that to set up an automated task. Thank you for listening.